Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So now here I am at Walmart in their clearance section. So let's take a look, guys, to see what they have. Now I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music so you can enjoy the shopping trip. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Look at this. All of the Waverly paints, the big size, are all on clearance. Amazing. enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys.